Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to deregister your account on the Nintendo Switch. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to have your Nintendo Switch be the primary account holder for your Nintendo account. How do you actually go ahead and deregister your account from the Nintendo Switch? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but it's actually rather simple. What you first want to do is that you want to click onto the Nintendo eShop. Next, it might prompt you to log in, so if so, just scan the QR code or simply enter your login information. But once you're logged in, you want to click on your account that you want to deregister. And then from this option here, the next thing that you want to do is that you want to click on your profile icon located in the upper right-hand corner. So this icon right over here. And then afterwards, you want to go ahead and highlight your name and then scroll down to where it says deregister, which is this option here. But as you can see, right now a different console is registered as your primary console. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and deregister your Nintendo Switch from your primary account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.